My name is Jorge Monge. I work for Nephew, which is a medical devices company. We have presence and support over 100 countries, and particularly I lead the T&E or travel and expenses function. My role has evolved extensively over the last 3 years. We changed CEOs, and with that came a whole different management philosophy, which was shifting more from excessively, overly compliant, enforcing approach towards a more customer-centric focus. We shifted from assuming customer needs to anticipating customer needs and not really understanding, really listening to what our users were saying. Whenever we identify detractors or people who are voicing that their experience is not optimal, we not only read that comment, but in most cases we approach and we create focus groups. And not only that, but also survey and reach out high and frequent users to say, you know, we experienced this, we got this feedback, and we want to know how can we improve it, and this is what we can do. So we are partnering with our users to produce an optimal experience. It is very crucial for us to ensure that we are delivering an optimal employee experience. Our CEO tasked us and challenged us to really convey that trust message. We trust you, we want you to have a better experience. AI audit, concrete detect allows us to really assure that we are honoring compliance and that we're in compliance with the policy. That shift from excessive compliance to customer centricity and improving experience helped us convey a message of really, we care about you and we want you to have a smooth experience as a Nephew employee. How we ensure that people are really utilizing the tool and following processes, not only a matter of building solid processes, but also raising awareness. And sometimes you have to be innovative when it comes to this. For instance, in our case, we have created cartoons, animated videos that make it, not only succinct, but also understandable and really friendly to see. So these are 1.5 minute videos that are really engaging, that we actually partner with our internal comms area, and we post them on our landing page, for instance, and that helps us increase awareness. And we also use change champions, frequent users who are, normally have a span of influence, and they help us to spread the message. We have been able to save $1 million by returning over 20,000 productivity hours to our employees. That enabled us now in our people in general terms to shift from a very tactical approach to more strategic oriented duties. For instance, managers don't really have to approve expenses nowadays. We use AI, we use Detect for that, and they are sure that things are taken care of, and hence they can dedicate that time to other more value-added tasks. We have been able to really shift to a more strategic approach where we are not only doing this expense reporting function, but actually shifting towards being a strategic business partner. And at this moment, we're producing analytics that allows upper management and executives to trend and track expenditure, spend behavior, and this has enabled them to also better understand and reach their targets, their savings, and their budget management objectives.